Welcome to our Money Basics series. Today, you will learn about one of the most important concepts in finance, the time value of money. This principle explains why $100 today is worth more than $100 tomorrow. Understanding this concept is crucial for making smart financial decisions throughout your life. It forms the foundation for investment planning, retirement savings, loan decisions, and everyday money management. The time value of money is a fundamental principle that states money available now is worth more than the same amount in the future. This might seem confusing at first. After all, $100 is $100, right? Wrong. The key lies in what you can do with that money during the waiting period. Money sitting idle loses value, while money put to work can grow. The core principle behind time value of money rests on two main factors. First is earning potential money can be invested to generate returns. When you have cash today, you can immediately put it into stocks, bonds, savings accounts, or other investments that earn interest or dividends. Second is growth over time. The earlier you invest, the longer your money has to grow through compound returns. Here is a simple comparison that illustrates the concept perfectly. $100 today can be invested immediately, allowing it to start earning returns right away. Meanwhile, $100 tomorrow loses that earning opportunity. It sits idle for an entire day, week, month, or year, depending on the delay. Every day you wait to invest is a missed opportunity for growth. Inflation is another critical factor that makes money today more valuable than money tomorrow. Inflation reduces purchasing power over time, meaning your money buys less in the future than it does today. $100 today might buy you a full grocery cart, but next year, that same $100 might only fill 3/4 of your cart due to rising prices. Opportunity cost plays a major role in the time value of money. When you wait to receive or invest money, you face the opportunity cost of missed investment returns. Choosing to wait means giving up potential profits from investments like stocks or bonds. On the flip side, investing today means capturing those returns and building wealth over time. Financial experts use two key concepts to measure time value: present value and future value. Present value represents today's worth of future money, calculated using the formula PV equals FV divided by 1 plus R to the power of N. Future value shows tomorrow's worth of today's money, calculated as FV equals PV times 1 plus R to the power of N, where R is the interest rate and N is the number of periods. Let's see this principle in action with a concrete example. Imagine you have $100 today and can invest it at a 5% annual return. After 1 year, your investment would grow to $105. However, if you wait 1 year to receive that same $100, you miss out entirely on that $5 gain. The cost of waiting is real and measurable. The power of time becomes even more dramatic over longer periods. Starting with $100 at a 5% annual return, your investment would grow to $128 after 5 years, a 28% increase. After 10 years, it would reach $163, a 63% increase. This demonstrates the incredible power of compound growth over time. The time value of money applies to many real-world financial decisions. In retirement planning, starting early maximizes compound growth, allowing smaller contributions to grow into substantial nest eggs. For loan decisions, understanding how interest costs compound over time helps you evaluate whether to pay cash or finance purchases and whether to pay off debts early. Remember these essential points about the time value of money. First, money today is always worth more than the same amount tomorrow because of earning potential and inflation. Second, time amplifies the power of investment through compound growth. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow. The most important action you can take is to start investing early to maximize the time value of money in your favor.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.